Hi, my name is Moises Zamudio. I'm from Lima in Peru. I like my city. Lima is beautiful. I can do many things there. I like shopping at the mall, eating at a good restaurant. I like eating at the Anaconda restaurant. I like exotic food. I also like visiting music store. I love rock and roll. I love music and playing sports on the beach. Yes, my favorite sport is running because I can surf, I can swim very well. I like my city. Lima is beautiful. Bye.